Hey guys, this is King D Mills, KDMFX. One thing I've noticed, the time we start trading, everybody like, there's this one thing where we blow accounts, like we really blow accounts, guys. Because we find you get too excited, where you make money, and you just get too excited, you lose focus on the strategy, and you find out things don't work for you. So yeah, so here are my trading results, like before and after. I'm going to show you guys, before and after what happened. So I entered trades. I was trading, like I was trading using the basic knowledge and the like, just like everyone else, sticking to the strategy. And as time went by, you find that you start making some couple of losses because you lose focus. You get surprised of maybe the amount you get by the day you reach a mark, and you want to make more, and you end up making a lot of losses. So one advice I'm going to have for you guys is that you need to stick to the strategy which is working for you guys. You need to stick to that. Make sure you stick to that strategy. If it works for you, you stick to it. Don't end up blowing accounts. You make a few blues. Once you just go out, like you go out of your way, trust me, you're gonna blow accounts. Just look at this. Look at this. You change from trading with boom, when you understand, you go in crash. Crash gonna mess you up. This is the results. These are the devastations we used to have. Crash right now. Look at the losses, guys. Look at the losses. You end up making a few profits, and you go again, you make another loss. So because this one was obviously in the downtrend, I wasn't even aware of that because I was just trading with basic knowledge, like yeah, simple basic knowledge, guys. Until I got to learn indicators, I got to learn price action, I got to learn a lot. The few boxes to get, you try to trade this, you try to switch, you go to this, you find it's not working, you just bring confusion to yourself, you just confuse your mind, you confuse yourself. So you can only stick to one strategy which is going to work, and I'm going to show you how it has been for me. Entering trades, changing my strategy, not going for the big aims, not going for the big aims where I feel like I can make this in just single trade. I can make like 1,000 in just a single trade. All that mindset changed after this, and after changing my mindset on trading, everything changed. Everything changed because I used to blow the account like way too much. So after just that, everything changed. So here's a change. I switched my trading strategy. I switched from blowing accounts, making losses. I just started making
It was
all
profit,
about
guys.
the profit. I just started making profit. About being profitable in the market. All about being profitable in the market, guys. So I switched my trading strategy. Yeah, as you can see, I was just making profits all the way. Profits. No single loss. Profits all the way. Spikes, trends, just profits. I wasn't staying long in the market. I'd use smallest lot size as possible. Not really smallest, but 50 is a basic lot size, which makes the market. Because 50, you can hold the 5 minutes candlestick for how long? Like for just half of it, you can get at least $1 out of it. 50 lot size, you can get something out of it. And the 50 lot size, if you have a $10 account, you can enter trades with the $50 lot size, 0.50 lot size. It's 50 cents per se. You enter the markets, you can mute the markets. You don't have to stay for a long time. You can only take like one out of it, just $1 out of it. So yeah, like these are the results, the end results of consistency and sticking to a strategy. You end up making a lot of, you milk the market, guys. You milk your market. You won't, You don't have to go for big wins. Big wins will come afterwards. Big wins will come afterwards, guys. Big wins will always be there. They'll come afterwards. Everything you're going to do is going to work out for you. So you just have to know what you're doing. Don't lose. Like, everything has its own strategy in life. Everything has its own strategy. Work and the like. Everything has its own strategy. As long as you stick to that strategy which works for you guys, you're not going to worry about anything. You're going to be making profits every time. Every time your charts are going to be in profit. Consistency. Don't go for big wins. Always be consistent. If you're making $1 per trade, $1 per trade, you make 10 trades. That's like $10. You don't risk blowing everything. You just stick to that. You just go in short. You get whatever you're going to get. You just increase on your lot size. You stick to a strategy. You increase on your lot size. You increase the number of money you make out of the market. As long as you're not making any loss, just like I'm trading right now, like I'm not making any loss. It's always profits. It's always profits for me. I'm making the markets like I'm supposed to. Okay, anyways, I'm going to sort out that. These are personal issues. These pop-ups, I need to blind them because I got some issues with privacy. Someone had to, like, yeah, anyways, enough with that. Let's try to enter trades, guys. Let's try to enter trades. Let's check if conditions are right now. We can actually go in with a trade. And after going in with the trade, we see how it's going to go. Yeah, so, yeah. That's a sell. Yeah. Put in sell. Put in the sell. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. I'm trading on a real account right now. Don't get surprised with the balance in the account, guys. Don't get surprised with the balance. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. I know you need proof. Okay, so yeah. So as it is moving right now, you need to know the market is spiking or occur because this is an uptrend for Boom 500. This is an uptrend. The time I entered market, it was in a downtrend. Now it's making an uptrend. It's making rise. So if you check it in 1 minute time frame, yeah, let me not risk it, guys. Let me not risk it right now. It's moving like that. So I'll just go out with a few dollars, not that much, not that much. So 5 minutes candle. This one shows to be a full 5 minutes because we are late. Like I've entered half of it. Just imagine if you entered from the top there. If you just entered from the top there, how much you can be milking out of the markets, guys. How much you can be milking out of the markets. Just imagine you enter from there. You enter trades just from the top of the candlestick, from the tip of the candlestick, looking at how the conditions are going to be right. Just imagine. And anyways, if you're a follower of this, I can give you let me just do this real quick. Yeah. I can give you guidelines, like, or I can give you the indicators right now, like indicators which you're going to follow through. Like, let's just wait for it to reach at least a full candle. Yeah, it is switched. At least you can exit the market right now. You exit with at least $3. Yeah, you exit the market with something like you've made like $3 right now. Made $3 just talking to you guys. That's imagine how awesome is that. Without any loss, 70 loss, profit. Yeah, it's just a day trade. Like, it's 1 day trade, guys. 1 day trade. Enter markets in 1 day trade. So in case you're wondering, like, these indicators, guys, I need to I can actually teach you on this. I can actually teach you on this. So the way it is, these are the indicators I never put in that other video. I'm going to put them here. The lower part, the lower parts of the indicators. I'm sure you know these guys. I'm sure you know these guys. You know the lower parts of these indicators. This one, the RSI and the RSI and the moving average. RSI and the moving average is a secondary window. Then this other one is the ichimoku and what you call that, stochastic. So yeah, so here it is. Here it is. Let me teach you guys. Let me teach you something. For you guys who are in it for a long run, combined with the timetable, I'm going to attach in the link description. I'm going to work out on a timetable so that you don't spend that much time on the market, so that at least you can start trades here. You can start trades here when these touch from the top, like when these touch from the top there, and yeah, there's a wait though. It's not actually guaranteed that it's going to be a perfect trend, but looking at the moving average in the rest of the movement, you can tell that it's going to be a trend, but it's not going to be that much of a trend, because normally with stochastic and the ichimoku lines, a trend will start from here when the white line or a black line curves, depending on what your background. When they curve, it can start from there. So some guys will enter from here, some will enter from here and milk the rest of the market. But pros will actually enter from here. After the blue line touches, the red line touches, the green line touches, and when it curves, it starts making a downtrend. But when the green line doesn't curve, this is an example. When the green line doesn't curve, it doesn't curve. If it was here right now, these would show that they have curved. The blue line will show that it has curved, and it will start a trend. It started from here actually. Yeah, so it switched from there. It started from here. So it started from here, and it curved. It touched the red line, the red moving average. After touching the red moving average, on this other chart, it shows when the red one crosses the white one. Those are spikes when they're down on the oversold zone. That's a spike. So here it shows the green line that didn't touch anywhere. It was still in the spike zone. From the starting point of the spikes, you're still in the spike zone. So after the spike, this one touched here. It touched the sell point. Then the red one touched the sell point. When it was moving here, you could have milked at least 3 candles. 3 candles, you're out of the market to be safe. But when the green one touches again, then it makes a curve. Then you're down for business. This happens every time. You're down for business, and more especially when the white one is also on top. That's going to be a long trend. Long trend, guys. Long trend. Like, it's going to be a long trend. Yeah. So same thing applies here. The first one didn't touch, so it touched from here. Then they touched both of them. Both of them touched. The red one was still in sale. The green one touched. It touched again, showing to go down. Then this was going to be your entry. For most guys. But pros will enter from here. Maybe hold the position up to the red one. They exit the market. They wait for this. Then you enter again. And when you enter again, you can milk at least 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 candles. That's a 5 minutes time frame, guys. If you check it from the 5 minute zone, it will show you full 5 minutes, and it's now making another trend going down. So right here it shows a trend like these have touched from the top. They touched from the top and now they're trending, but the green one hasn't touched. The green one has touched, but it hasn't curved. So I'm sure we're going to expect a trend when it curves. If it doesn't curve, there's no trend. A curving like this, that's a trend. You can only milk out like 5 minutes, 5 minutes candles, 5 minutes candles after the curve. Like, yeah, there, then starts going up again, because these were down. They passed the take profit zone. That's a take profit zone. So after passing the take profit zone, you're no longer safe. You're no longer safe, guys. Spike will catch you, like here. So another curving starts, spike, then there, a trend. Started from there. That's a wicky candlestick there with a long wick. So you could have entered from there on top of the sale. Then you could have held the position down there, then here and here. So after this candlestick, I'm sure you're going to see the curve. So yeah. So the indicator settings for these on the main chart, these are the moving average, the basic moving average. This one as well. This one as well. Yeah. Then the other indicator window, which you're going to put, is a stochastic. We all know the levels. The period is 1111, so that you don't have anything on the chart. Then the levels are here. These are the levels, guys. And the ichimoku lines. So the first one, these are the parameters. If you're using a white background, change the colors. The Tenkan-san and Jekujin-san, you can put them to be black. Then up kuno, down kuno, chiho span, these you can put them white to fit to match the background. So you only need the two lines. You only need those two. And the second one, you can put the same colors but change. If you're using a white background, change them to black. The up kumo, the up kumo, you can put them white. This one, yeah, you just know the drill. Then the other indicator, we know this one. I put it in the previous video. So this one is a period of 1. The levels are this and that. And moving averages, you need these settings. The other moving average is this. The other moving one is that. The other one is that. And this other moving average, there's something about it. This one, if you're using a white background, put it black. Put it black. Because if I put mine black right now, it won't show here. It won't show here. Like, it won't show. But if I put it white, it has shown. It has shown the movement. That movement. So yeah. As you can see, we're still in the trend. The movement is still there. Movement is still going down, despite it being in the oversold zone. We're expecting a buy, but most especially the white ones are the ones which show the exact movement. I'm sure as time goes by, we're going to get rid of some of the indicators on the chart, but we're going to stick to only basic ones. We don't need all these. We don't need much of them, because the blue and the white, the blue and the red one, those on the ichimoku setup, those I don't think we need them that much, because sometimes they can be in the overbought, but they usually work in the 1 minute time frame. Like here they show you they're in the overbought zone, and that's a sale. Guys. That's a sale. So yeah, that's a beautiful curve there of the moving average. So until this touches, until this moving average, this one touches here, you're going to expect a spike. And that's how you catch spikes. That's how you catch spikes. This is the same spike I caught in the morning. Where is it? This one. This one. This is a spike I caught. I caught that spike exactly after they touched. After they touched, they started making that movement. After they touched, they started making that movement, guys. So, yeah. Yeah. So those are the, so yeah, that's just a small spike. Like it's not affecting anything. This is a small spike. It's not affecting anything. So I have to wait until they're going to, it's still going to make a trend going down. Yeah, so more like a pin bar right now, like a pin bar right now. So anyways, just to be safe, guys, just to be safe. You've seen that's a cave in there. That's a cave in there. That's a cave in there. So the trend is still up and running. But you can expect this zone, you can expect spikes from this zone, because these, they're moving way down to the TP and wait. They're moving down to the TP and wait. So if you started from here, you could have milked like 3 candles. 3 candles are more than enough. But 2 candles would be recommended ones, because these are 2 candles, like 1, 2 candles when it's down. When it's on top, 1, 2, 3. 3 candles for each moving average. You're out. This is a 5 minutes time frame. 1, 2, 3 candles. You are in here. 1 from the long wiki candle. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles. 4. Even if you are in a trade from the top, no spike would have affected you at this point. Could have milked how many, like it depends with the lot size, guys. It depends with the lot size. You could have entered with a bigger lot size. You could have milked the market massively, because one candlestick in 1 minute time frame, with lot size 2, that's $1 per candlestick in 1 minute, and in 5 minutes, that would be like $5 per candlestick. It can be more than $5, but yeah, you can still get out something, like something, guys. Anyways, I've explained, I've given you a bit explanation, I've given you the indicators, guys. Happy trading to everybody. So this is where I'm going to end my video. And just in case you're wondering, with such results, and without making any loss, I have a secret, guys.